Hey y'all, so we're going to jump right in. So I'm starting off with freshly shampooed and conditioned hair. You want to make sure your hair is shampooed and conditioned before doing this style, okay? So you can apply your leave-in of choice, but I'm using the pink Shea Butter Coconut Oil. This is like my favorite leave-in right now. I'm just going to apply that all over my head. And then I'm going to seal in that moisture with some OMG Oil from Heritage 1933. So then I want to take this red tail comb and I'm going to create a side part. Now this is optional, but I feel like the side part just adds more character, if you know what I mean. So that's what I'm using it for. And then I'm going to use my pick to pick out my hair. You want to make sure your hair is detangled before applying your gel, because you want your hair to lay super flat. And I'm using the Eco Styler Shea Butter gel, so I'm just gonna apply a generous amount all over my head. As you guys can see, I'm smoothing it into my hair and it's going on super smooth. There's no bumps, there's no lumps, because you have to make sure you detangle your hair. That is so crucial, okay? And then I'm gonna take my brush and then I'm just gonna brush everything in and smooth it out. You guys see how everything is just being brushed so smoothly? So y'all better detangle, okay? I'm going to use my hands to like smooth my hair down just to make sure there's no bumps, and to feel and make sure all of the hair is laying down flat, because you know with natural hair your hair will curl up really quickly on you. So I'm just making sure it's sleek. And then I'm going to apply my scarf, and you can get this scarf from Family Dollars because a lot of you guys always ask me. So Family Dollars. And I'm just going to tie it really tight. And you want to make sure the back piece is pulled really flat so that it will lay down flat. And I only left it on for about 6 hours, and this is how my hair looked. It was completely dry in 6 hours, y'all. Well, it was probably less than 6 hours. But then I'm going to take the Got To Be Good Freeze Spray, and this is what is going to set your slick back in. It's going to set it into place and it's not going to move. And I'm making sure I put it on the back portion of my head because that hair is thicker in that spot. So I let it marinate overnight, and look how slick my slick back is, y'all. Like, oh, do y'all see it? But we're going to go ahead and work on these baby hairs. So I'm just going to brush out my baby hairs. Now, this step is definitely optional, but this is what's going to make it look like you have like finger waves going on, kind of, just a little bit, you know. And I am using the same Eco Styler gel that I used to do the complete slick back. To make sure my baby hair stay in place, I'm just applying the pink edge control, and this is really going to help it stay in place on top of the gel. You can use oil sheen or whatever you like, but I'm just going to go back in with the OMG oil, and I'm going to apply that all over my head because gel will make your hair really dull. So this is going to add the sheen and shine back into my hair. Y'all, so this is the finished look. This is how my slick back turned out. It is super sleek and slick, as you guys can see, and it is not super hard. It's hard enough to where it's going to stay, but it's not like a rock hard. And this style will last you a week if you tie it up at night to keep it in place. And look at the waves and look at the luster. Like, okay, I'm swimming on y'all. I'm swimming on y'all. Let me know in the comments if you guys will be trying this slick back method. Hope you all enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Make sure you guys tag me in your pictures on Instagram if you tried this slick back at Mona X Banks. But I hope this tutorial was really helpful. Thanks for watching, and I will see you all on my next one. Bye.